Long before the institutional judicial system came about, disputes were heard and resolved in village and Nyay Panchayats, away from the courts of the kings and the monarchs. Cut to today, there are three alternate ways in which a dispute can be resolved apart from the formal structure of the courts: arbitration, mediation, and Lok Adalats. These together are called the alternate dispute resolution, or ADR. Let me explain what each one of them means. Firstly, arbitration. It is a private resolution process mostly written into commercial contracts whereby both parties agree to submit a dispute should one arise to a process of arbitration by one or more arbitrators. Similar to court proceedings, an arbitration could involve presenting of evidence, hearing arguments, and so on. Typically, arbitrators are professionals with strong legal or domain expertise. Arbitration is often used to resolve commercial disputes where both parties go through the process of arbitration and at the end of which the arbitrators give a binding decision on the matter. Secondly, mediation. It is a voluntary process whereby disputing parties agree to bring in a neutral third party to help them communicate and negotiate a mutually agreeable solution. Unlike arbitrators, mediators do not pass any binding orders. Instead, they facilitate all the parties involved to arrive at their own solution. Once all the parties involved arrive at a mutually agreeable solution, a settlement agreement is drafted and signed by them. Thirdly, Lok Adalat, or People's Court. It is a unique alternate dispute resolution mechanism in India whereby cases pending in the court of law are amicably resolved through a mediation-like process presided over the court. Lok Adalats are usually presided over by retired judges, serving judges, or senior lawyers as decided upon the legal service authority at national level, state level, or the district level. Lok Adalats are organized across the country at regular intervals at all levels: Supreme Court, High Court, district, and subordinate courts. Once an amicable resolution is reached in a Lok Adalat, the presiding officer passes an order which is sent back to the court of law. The judge presiding over that case then passes his or her judgment basis that order. Today, some of these three different alternate dispute resolution mechanisms are also organized and facilitated online digitally. And that is what ADR, or alternate dispute resolution, means. Samagra will be back soon with yet another short episode of Governance Decluttered, where we decode everyday governance in India.